What's going on, guys? It's David, and today we're back with another video. Today we're going to be speaking about the FineWoven case and if you should buy one or hold off on it. Now, there's a lot of things I love about this case, especially when it was brand new. Those buttons felt fantastic, even better than the actual buttons on the iPhone 15, not the 16, because they extruded a little bit more and they just felt a little bit sharper. I don't know, I just like the feel of them. The only thing I will say about the buttons that is a negative now, and the whole case in general, is the fading of absolutely every material possible. So the paint that's on the buttons is fading, the leatherette material on the sides is fading, and the FineWoven case on the back is also fading, which is super unfortunate within 60 days. Even within a week of me using this, there was show of wear and tear, and that's honestly just a little bit unfortunate when it comes to a case like this, because it's actually a very beautiful case. Just sucks to see something, especially in this price range, have such bad wear and tear and usability for your day-to-day. And honestly, I haven't used this case in extreme conditions. This has literally just gone in and out of my pocket, and that's about it. It has taken a couple falls, and I will say this, my phone did crack with this case on it. Again, that's not just to say this case, this is every low profile case you're gonna have these issues. So take that into consideration as much as you'd like. I will say, if I had a bulkier case, it would have been fine, but obviously I took the risk with having a more low profile case, and that's just what comes with that. Thankfully, I did have Apple Care, so got it taken care of, and now my screen is back to looking beautiful again. Now, another honorable mention I will say is I wish that Apple would have thought of making the USB-C cutout a little bit bigger, because some of the cords that I have that aren't Apple, obviously they're third-party cords, but some of the USB-C cords that I have actually don't fit super well. Like they press against the case and they do plug in, but you could just tell any little wobble that they're gonna get disconnected. So that's something that was a little bit inconvenient and unfortunate that Apple didn't do that. I know that's a problem with other cases as well, so not just Apple at fault for that, but just something to take note. Overall, the design and the material choice is very nice on this case, I can't lie to you, but it was just not thought through, because everything on this phone just makes it look like I've used this case for about a year, and it's only been 60 days, so it's just a little bit unfortunate. Like, it looks super beat up. There's scratches on the back, there's discoloration within the FineWoven, and yeah, it's just, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look like a case that I would recommend anyone to really go after and buy, unless you're that person that wants to spend $60 every other month. I wouldn't recommend it. But you guys let me know down below if you have the FineWoven case. Let me know how it's treated you. Obviously, mine has treated me not too well. Doesn't look too good, not too hot at all. If you're thinking about getting the FineWoven case, is this skewing your opinion, or are you still thinking that the look is worth all these flaws that I mentioned in the video? Let me know down below. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Peace.